if you have a certain so-called routine or a discipline, it doesn't work for everybody, and after a certain stage, depending on the work you do, your health concerns, the kind of family you have, the kind of age group you're in and stuff, a lot of stuff in you changes, and that's the reality. So what you do is that you have to start kind of fine-tuning your habits or your exercises as per that. So if I've been doing yoga, you can always add, let's say, Zumba. You can always add running. You can always add, gym, not gymnastics, gym. You can always do bhangra. You can always get into boxing. You can always get into golf. You can get into sports and stuff. So the more you kind of push yourself outside the stuff, the more you will know about yourself. The more you'll be able to kind of also share your thoughts with like-minded people at home, at work and stuff. And looking at you, a lot of people can have some changes which may work very positive for most of them and stuff. So stretch your brain, most important. This one works the best. So there's so much of hype around mental health and stuff. Everything is not so serious around mental health. Just 5 to 8 minutes of reading, or maybe 2 to 3 books of reading daily is a great stress buster. And trust me, it works. Because the moment you switch on TV, you see all those faces, you'll see all those images playing before you. So the best is that if you want to avoid that, you can just kind of switch off the TV and get into reading on a newspaper, reading on your book, and by that way, you're not inviting